Good morning students. Today, as you know that your periodic test second syllabus is completed. So today I will teach you the next chapter of your English grammar, 27th chapter, that is mode connectors. Students, in this chapter we will study about the coordinating conjunctions. Students, coordinating conjunctions make a compound sentence. Before this, we read about the subordinating conjunctions. Okay? So in this chapter, we will read about the coordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions are and, as well as, in addition, both, and, not only but also, or, either or, neither nor, but, still, yet, however, nevertheless, so, therefore, hence, consequently, etc. Okay? Students, the coordinating conjunctions link two main clauses or sentences. It is the nature of coordinating conjunctions that they link two main clauses or sentences. Okay? Now see the word meanings and the conjunctions which means and. Example, the children finished their work and went out to play. The children finished their work, they went out to play. These are two sentences and it has been combined with different coordinating conjunctions and. The children finished their work and went out to play. Now see, this sentence can be combined with not only but also. The children not only finished their work but also went out to play. This sentence can be combined with both and also. The children both finished their work and went out to play. The children finished their work as well as went out to play. Okay? So, word conjunctions which means and, they are and as well as, in addition, both and, not only but also. So in such a way we can combine two sentences or two clause by using and as well as, not only but also, both and. Okay? Students, now see the uses of either or, neither nor, or. These conjunctions are known as alternative conjunctions. Students, and as well as, not only but also, both and, in addition to. These conjunctions are known as cumulative conjunctions and either are, neither nor, or. These conjunctions are known as alternative conjunctions. So when there is the alternate, then we use alternative conjunctions. See the example, either he or she can do this work. Either he or she. There is alternate, there is choice. When there is a sense of choice, then we use either or neither nor, or. Either he or she can do this work. We can only use or also. He can do this work or she can do this work. When the sentence is negative and the option, the alternate is given, then we use neither nor. Neither he nor she can do the work. Okay? Do this work, do this work. So when there is choice, there is alternate, then we use alternative conjunctions. After that, the third one is adversative, in which the conjunctions are but, still, yet. Okay? But, still, yet, however, nevertheless. See the example? Yes. Adversative conjunctions is used when the two sentences are opposite. When there is a sense of contrast. Okay? He tried very hard, but he could not break the wall. He is poor, yet he is happy. He is a strict teacher, still the people likes him. When there is a sense of opposite, when there is a sense of contrast, then we use but, still or yet. Okay, means adversative conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions can be classified in 4 classes: cumulative, alternative, adversative, illative. In cumulative and as well as not only but also both and etc. In alternative either or, neither nor, or in adversative but, still, yet, however. Okay, students, now see the last one, that is illative conjunctions. Uses of therefore, hence, so, as a result, consequently, etc. Students, when there is a sense of causal relation, okay, reason and result, then we use such conjunctions. So, therefore, hence, as a result, etc. Now see the example. He was ill, so he did not go to school. The reason, what was the reason for not going to school? He was ill. The reason was that, and what was the result? He did not go to school. In such sentences, we use so, hence, therefore. He did not work hard, therefore he failed. Why he failed? The reason was that he did not work hard. He did not work hard, so what was the result? He failed. In such sentences, when there is a sense of causal relation, when there is 2 types of sentences, 2 types of class, and in one class there is the result, and in second one, if there is the result, then we use so, therefore, hence. Okay, as a result or consequently also. He did not work hard, as a result or consequently he failed. Okay, so that portion is given in your chapter. Students, just see here, it is not given in your book, but I will tell you. Coordinating conjunctions are divided into 4 parts: cumulative, alternative, adversative, illative. In cumulative and as well as not only but also both and. Alternative either or, neither nor, or adversative but, still, yet, illative, so, hence, therefore, as a result, these conjunctions come. Okay, so it is the usage of all these conjunctions. Write all the rules and do the exercise. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.